In this video, we'll tackle the CDPUserSvc failed to read description error with code 15100 on Windows 11. I'll show you 4 quick fixes to resolve it. At first, type Notepad in the search box. Then tap on Notepad to open it up. When the Notepad opens up, copy-paste these lines. After that, tap on the file on the menu bar. Then click on Save As. Now select the file type, as all files. Thereafter, name the file as stopcdp.bat. Choose a location on your computer, preferably desktop, to save the file. After that, click on Save to save the file. Now, go to the location where you have saved this batch file. Then, right-click on the Stop CDP and tap on Run as Administrator to run the script on the system. Press the Windows key plus R keys together. Then, type taskcchd.msc and click on OK to open the task scheduler. When the task scheduler opens up, tap on Action in the menu bar and tap on Create Task. Then go to the General tab. Here, name this new task as you wish. We have named it CDPUserSvc bumper. Now check the Run with Highest Privileges option. Next, click on the drop-down beside Configure 4 and set it to Windows 10 from the drop-down. At the next step, go to the Triggers tab. Now, select the New to create a new trigger. After that, set the Begin the Task option to at Startup. Now, check the Enabled option at the bottom. Further, tap on OK to save this. Now again go to the Actions tab. Here, tap on New. In the New Action panel, set the Action tab to start a program. Further, tap on Browse. Now go to the location where you have saved the batch file. Select the stopcdp file and tap on Open. Once you have done that, click on OK to save it. Finally, once you have configured it, tap on OK for one final time. Close the task scheduler. Then, restart your computer. While your system boots up, the script file will run and stop the CDPUserSvc component at the startup. At first, right-click on the Windows icon and tap on Run. Then type regedit and click on OK to access the Registry Editor. On the left-hand side, expand the left-hand side this way, Computer OH key, Local Machine System O, Current Control Set Services O, CDPUserSvc. Now, on the right-hand side, you will find the start value. Just double-click on the value to edit it. Then, set the BAS to the hexadecimal system. Further, set the value to bar4 and click on OK to save it. After doing that, close the Registry Editor. Then, restart your computer. At first, press the Windows key and type CMD. Then, right-click on the command prompt and tap on Run as Administrator. Now, write down this code in the terminal and press the Enter key to isolate the CDPUserSvc process. scconfig CDPUserSvc type =own. Once you have done this, close the command prompt screen. After that, restart your computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.